We gotta stretch. We gotta stretch. Okay. We gotta stretch like this. Come on. Okay. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to day 11 of our 30 push-up in 30 days. And today happened to be Chinese New Year, Vietnamese New Year. Chúc mừng năm mới. Chúc mừng năm mới. Đúng rồi, chúc mừng năm mới.恭喜发财, 恭喜发财. So let's get started with our 30 push-up. Okay, let's go. All right, let's go. We're gonna do 30 push-up. Okay, we're gonna do it together. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, push-up. Let's go. All right, let's go. Okay. 1, 2. đây ha. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 nhớ không? 3, 20. Ra đây, ra đây.
No. Stop. Not. No. No, we're not.
What's it?
What's going on right now? Okay, go back. Let's 24. Let's go 6 more. This distraction. You know, come on. 'That complete day 11 of the push-up, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 12.